Hey guys, today I'm going to show you an Overkill $3,000 AMD Ryzen PC build using the AMD Ryzen 7 1800X processor. It has 8 cores, 16 threads unlocked, 4 MBs of megabytes of cache, extended frequency range. For the motherboard, I'm going to use the Asus ROG Crosshair VI Hero with Aura Sync RGB. It has clear CMOS buttons in the BIOS flashback, 8 USB 3s, 4 USB 2s, gigabit LAN, USB Type A and USB Type C, and 8-channel audio. They got a boost on them of 1835 megahertz. I got RGB lighting on both sides of the backplate, capable of 4K in VR with a HDMI 2.0 port. And for the case to wrap this whole build up, I'm going to put in the Fantech Go Evolve ATX mid-tower case with a tempered glass side panel. It's in a Galaxy Silver. It's a pretty nice looking case. Especially with that glass side panel on it. And the price of this build comes out to be $2,931.62. So it's a pretty overkill build unless you really need all this. But yeah, I'm probably gonna put all the links to all the stuff I talked about in the description. And I hope you enjoy. Bye.